Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are going to study about autosomal dominant disorders. What do we mean by autosomal dominant disorders? Autosomal dominant disorders are the disorders where a single mutant allele is able to express or it can able to cause the disorder. The word autosomal means it is on the non-sex chromosome. So the genes that is present in the non-sex chromosomes on the autosomal chromosomes, and these are dominant genes. So that means even a single mutant allele can able to express and cause the disorder. Now, when it is a dominant disorder, that means when both the alleles are normal, the individual will become normal. If both the alleles are defective, the individual will be defective. If one allele is normal and one is defective, then also the individual will get the disorder because it is dominant. So when it is a dominant, even a single allele presence can cause the disorder. Now let's see few of its examples. First is Huntington disease. The gene for this disease is present on chromosome number 4. It is caused due to CAG repeat. It is a late-acting lethal gene. Because of this disease, the cognition decline. Cognition means the ability to use your brain power, the ability to analyze things. That is known as cognition ability. The ability by which we can solve puzzles, we can analyze. So all these comes under cognition. So that ability declines. It results in mood swings, involuntary movements, hallucination, speech difficulty, and behavioral and personality changes. Now, because this is a dominant disorder, so when both the alleles are defective, the individual will result in early death. If one dominant allele is present and another normal allele is present, then the individual will get the disorder and the individual will die. Not the early die, but the late death. When both the alleles are normal, the individual will be normal. The second disease is familial hypercholesterolemia. Again, the same thing. When both the defective alleles are present, result in early death. When one of the allele is defective, it will cause the disease at the age of 35 to 40 years. When both the alleles are normal, the individual will be normal. Now, the gene responsible for this gets mutated, and this is the gene for LDL receptor. Normally, in our body, we have LDL receptor that binds with LDL. LDL means low density lipoprotein. So, this low density lipoprotein, it binds with LDL receptor, due to which what happens? An adaptor molecule binds here, that is AP2, which causes its endocytosis and finally its degradation. But when this LDL receptor gets mutated, that is the tyrosine getting converted into cysteine, because of which the AP2 cannot able to recognize and bind the receptor. When AP2 cannot bind, there will occur no endocytosis. LDL will remain present in the blood, due to which it will block the arteries and it will cause the heart attack. So LDL should get endocytosed and degraded in the body. If this not happens, then it will lead to arteries blockage and heart attack. The next disorder is polydactyly, which is responsible for the presence of extra finger. When one dominant allele is present, it will lead to the extra finger formation. That's all for today's video. If you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.